Hey everyone, welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to make the fluffiest pancakes ever, perfect for breakfast or brunch. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/5 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter, plus extra for cooking optional, vanilla extract and toppings of your choice. First, let's mix our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Make sure everything is well combined. Now, in a separate bowl, we'll whisk together 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. If you like, you can add a splash of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Next, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Now, just stir until combined. Don't overmix. It's okay if there are a few lumps. Heat up a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat and add a little butter. Pour about 1/4 cup of butter for each pancake. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface. Then flip. Look at that beautiful golden brown. Cook for another minute on the other side, and they're done. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings, maple syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. These are so fluffy and delicious. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty treats. See you next time.